Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready for a new story? Let's go. Do you know the names of things inside a bathroom? You see them every day, but maybe you don't know them in English. Hello, friends. Listen and repeat after me. Shower is something we use to wash our body. Bathtub is something we use to take a bath. Toilet is something we use in the bathroom. Sink is something we wash our hands in it. Mirror is something we see our face in it. Towel is something we dry our body with it. Bath towel is something we use after a shower. Hand towel is something we use to dry our hands. Towel rack is something that holds towels. Shower curtain is something that keeps water inside the shower. Bath mat is something we stand on after shower. Soap is something we use to wash our hands. Body wash is something we use to wash our body. Shampoo is something we use to wash our hair. Conditioner is something that makes hair soft. Face wash is something we use to clean the face. Razor is something we use to shave hair. Shaving cream is something we use before shaving. Toothbrush is something we use to clean teeth. Toothpaste is something we put on the toothbrush. Mouthwash is something we use to clean the mouth. Dental floss is something we use to clean between teeth. Hairbrush is something we use to brush hair. Comb is something we use to fix hair. Hairdryer is something we use to dry hair. Skincare cream is something we use for soft skin. Face mask is something we use to clean the face. Deodorant is something we use to stay fresh. Perfume is something that makes the body smell nice. Lotion is something that makes the skin soft. Plunger is something we use to unclog toilets. Toilet brush is something we use to clean the toilet. Cleaning spray is something we use to clean surfaces. Sponge is something we use to scrub things. Laundry basket is something we use to collect clothes. Scale is something we use to check weight. Trash bin is something we use to throw garbage. Cabinet is something we use to store bathroom items. Soap holder is something that holds soap. Toothbrush holder is something that keeps toothbrushes. Great job, friends! Now you know many bathroom items in English. Practice these sentences and you will learn faster. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.